Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel CodeMed Mastery. I'm Sanjana, a certified professional coder trying to help you clear your CPC exam. If you want to pass your CPC exam, remember that practice is the key to success. In today's video, let us discuss repeated anatomy questions and answers. This is going to be part 3. If you want to watch part 1 and part 2, click the link above to watch my CPC exam prep anatomy questions and answers playlist. I will also mention the link in the description box. So let's start today's video. First question, which of the following is an accessory organ of the gastrointestinal system that is responsible for secreting insulin? So the right answer is option D, pancreas. Pancreas secrete insulin. Next question, which of the following is the lymphoid organ that is a reservoir for RBC, red blood cells, and filters organisms from the blood? Option A, appendix. Option B, gallbladder. Option C, pancreas. Option D, spleen. So the right answer is option D, spleen. Next question, which of the following is not a part of integumentary system? Option A, breast. Option B, toenail. Option C, lymph node. Option D, skin. Right answer is option C, lymph node. Lymph node belongs to the lymphatic system. Next question, which of the following is a part of peripheral nervous system? Option A, dura mater. Option B, brachial plexus. Option C, spinal cord. Option D, pons. The right answer is option B, brachial plexus. Just for your information, brachial plexus is a group of nerves that begin in the spinal cord and they travel to the shoulder and down to the arm, to wrist and to hand. Next question, what is the term for chemicals that relay, amplify and modulate signals between a neuron and another cell? The right answer is neurotransmitters. Next question, the patient is diagnosed with trichomycosis. The patient has. The right answer is fungal infection of hair. Next question, the patient is diagnosed with dacrocystitis. Which inflammation the patient has? The right answer is option A, lacrimal sac. Dacrocystitis means inflammation of the lacrimal sac. Next question, spleen is in what organs? Option A, digestive. Option B, lymphatic. Option C, endocrine. Option D, nervous. The right answer is option B, lymphatic. Next question, what is the term for an excess of sugar in the urine? The right answer is option A, glycosuria. Next question, here there are few important questions. Full form of ORIF is open reduction internal fixation. What is external OS? The answer is cervical opening of vagina. Next question, what is the medical term for vagina? The right answer is colpo. Next question, urticaria means hives. What is pruritus? Pruritus means itchy skin that makes you want to scratch. It also causes skin irritation. Next question, a strong flexible tissue that connects muscle to bones is known as tendon. If the tissue connects bone to bone, it is known as ligament. Next question, the fungal infection of nails is called as. The right answer is onychomycosis. Mycosis meaning fungal infection and the term one means nail. Next question, which is called a basic unit of the nervous system? Option A, nephron. Option B, neuron. Option C, axon. Option D, dendron. The right answer is option B, neuron. Basic unit of nervous system is neuron or a nerve cell. Next question, which is the largest portion of the brain? Option A, cerebrum. Option B, cerebellum. Option C, brainstem. Option D, diencephalon. The right answer is option A, cerebrum. Next question, what is thoracocentesis? Option A, pain in the thoracic region. Option B, surgical incision into the thoracic region. Option C, puncture aspiration of fluid from the thoracic region. Option D, excision of lung. The right answer is option C, puncture aspiration. We already know that thoracocentesis, the term centesis means puncture aspiration of fluid. Right answer is option C. Next question. The melatonin hormone is secreted by which endocrine gland? Option A, hypothalamus. Option B, pineal gland. Option C, pituitary gland. Option D, parathyroid gland. The right answer is option B, pineal gland. Next question, what is menarche? The right answer is first menstruation cycle in female. Next question, where is the location of the lunula? Option A, base of the nail. Option B, tip of the nail. Option C, edge of the nail. Option D, beneath the nail. The right answer is base of the nail. I will tell you an important exam tip. If you ever get confused, like for example, if you don't know where is the location of the lunula, you can go to your integumentary system in your CPT book. You can open the diagram. So it is in the page number 93, where you can find dorsal nail view diagram. From there you can see lunula is present in base of the nail. Next question, what is the medical term for lips? Option A, kilo. Option B, gingivo. Option C, labi. Option D, both A and C. The right answer is option A, kilo. Next question, what is the medical term for gums? Option A, gingivo. Option B, stomato. Option C, gastro. Option D, kilo. The right answer is option A, gingivo. Next question, what is arthralgia? The right answer is option A, pain in the joint. Arthralgia is also referred as joint stiffness. The term arthro means joint. Next question, which is the largest portion of the brain? This is repeated. The right answer is cerebrum. Next question, what is the function of a pacemaker? What the pacemaker does is it uses the electrical impulses to control the heart rhythm. Next question, how many lobes are there in a pair of lungs? Means how many lobes are there in both lungs? So the right answer is option B, 5. In men, specimens for gonococcal cultures are most commonly obtained from which of the following structures? Option A, anus. Option B, bladder. Option C, skin. Option D, urethra. The right answer is urethra. The best specimen for gonococcal culture is urethral scrapings. So our right answer will be option D. Next question, which of the following best describes a structure that collects urine in the body? The right answer is option A, bladder. Next question, the muscular ring around a lumen that is contracted to control flow through that lumen is called a, option D. The right answer is option D, sphincter. Next question, which of the following is an endocrine disorder? Option A, Addison's disease. Option B, Cushing's disease. Option C, Graves' disease. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. All these three are endocrine disorders. Next question, which of the following condition is characterized by the presence of kidney stones or renal calculi? The right answer is nephrolithiasis. Next question, where is the location of lunula? We already discussed it. Answer is base of the nail. Next question, phalanges are referred as bone. Phalanges are the bones of human foot. Next question, the root of hair is known as option A, shaft. Option B, cuticle. Option C, cortex. The right answer is option D, hair follicle. Next question, the sweat gland present in the axilla is option A, apocrine. Option B, sebaceous gland. Option C, eccrine. Option D, ceruminous gland. The right answer is option A, apocrine. Remember, the term axilla means armpit or underarm. Next question, inflammation of eyelid is called option A, uveitis. Option C, conjunctivitis. Option C, blepharitis. Option D, dacrocystitis. The right answer is option C, blepharitis. Next question, clear outer layer at the front of the eye is known as option A, cornea. Option B, conjunctiva. Option C, sclera. Option D, retina. The right answer is option A, cornea. Next question, study of tissue is called, the right answer is option A, histology. Osteology is the study of bones. Cytology is the study of cell. Dermatology is the study of skin. Study of tissue is histology. Next question, The wall between right atrium and right ventricle is option A pulmonary, option B aortic, option C bicuspid, option D tricuspid. The right answer is option D tricuspid. Next question. Largest lymphatic. The right answer is option A spleen. Next question. The inguinal nodes are present in option A axilla, option B cervical, option C groin, option D umbilicus. The right answer is option C groin. Next question. Main muscle that help in movement of head. Option A hamstrings, option B facial muscles, option C platysma, option D sternocleidomastoid. The right answer is option D sternocleidomastoid. Next question. Inflammation of the sac surrounding the heart. Option A endocarditis, option B pericarditis, option C myocarditis, option D all of the above. The right answer is pericarditis. Next question. Cyano refers to option A blue, option B red, option C white, option D black. So the right answer is option A blue. Next question. Which of the following is not a part of the axial skeleton? Option A sternum, option B vertebral column, option C scapula, option D skull. The right answer is option C scapula. Option A sternum, option B vertebral column and option D skull. All these things are a part of axial skeleton except scapula. So our right answer here is scapula.